Everybody, this is Kool-Aid Gamers. We have a cheat code to show you guys, and it's for all bat suits on Batman Arkham City.
Alright, well, here, the cheat code, well, you do not have to beat the game. You can be on easy if you want, even. But what you do is you left, left, down, down, left, left, right, up, up, down. But you gotta do it very quickly. Otherwise, you won't get it right, and you gotta be precise. What happens when you do it? You have to do it in the main menu. So we just did it earlier, so we don't have to keep doing it over and over, just in case. And I will resume game from last checkpoint.
And you gotta keep doing it after each new file you do.
These are all the bat suits. We'll do the cool one, obviously. Batman Beyond. It's pretty cool, I think. We'll try it out. Let's hope we're not playing as Catwoman. If we are, it's gonna suck. Because then we'll have to go to a cat symbol and do it again.
Dude, it would have been your fault.
You think? I know, right, because I don't remember where I was last. If it would load faster, we might be able to do this. And there we are. Batman Beyond. And he may not have a cape. No big deal. He makes one. And it's red underneath, just to let you know. Pretty sick. Just like in the TV show. And yes, the TV show is on Netflix right now. Just letting you know. And he has all the same gadgets. And you can also do that. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you didn't know, but we had a video earlier about, we're near it too, just letting you know, about Mark Hamill, and it's right over there somewhere. So yeah. Well, that's it for today, people. We will talk to you later. See ya.